Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT comes with a remote entry keypad. You've got your power mirror controls on the door here, manual seats for passenger drivers and passengers. You do have a center seat here with a built-in center console. Go ahead and power it up. You've got an infotainment system here with your display modes, your trip and fuel information, towing, off-road status, and truck settings. Cruise control on the left, hands-free on the right. Sync 3 sound system with built-in 4G hotspot, satellite radio, forward pass. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and a trailer backup assist. Down here you do have your climate controls, and then you have a 12-volt outlet hidden over here. Around the back of the F-150, you've got a trailer hitch here. You've got a rear view camera just below the tailgate latch. Built-in tailgate step with a drop-in bed liner. Taking a look at the back seat, you've got rear cup holders here on the door panels. Lots of foot space back here. You've got a 12-volt outlet just hidden down there. Cloth seats in the rear. These rear seats do fold up for more storage space on both sides. And coming back around to the front of the F-150, chrome-plated grille with a bumper, LED headlights and tail lights with tow hooks built in too. Come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this Ford F-150.